The female orgasm is a remarkable phenomenon involving intricate biological processes. In this video, we'll explore the anatomy and biology behind it, shedding light on the fascinating interplay between the body and mind. Let's start with the key external structure, the clitoris. While small in appearance, the clitoris is the central organ of sexual pleasure in females. It contains thousands of nerve endings, making it highly sensitive to touch. On-screen text, clitoris, over 8,000 nerve endings. Sole purpose, sexual pleasure. Most of the clitoris is hidden beneath the surface. Its internal structure includes the crura, two legs extending deep into the pelvic region, and the bulbs, which surround the vaginal opening. During arousal, these areas become engorged with blood, enhancing sensitivity and pleasure. The clitoris is directly linked to the brain via a network of nerves, including the pelvic and pudendal nerves. When stimulated, these nerves send signals to the brain's pleasure centers, releasing chemicals like dopamine, which heighten the sensation of pleasure. Sexual arousal triggers increased blood flow to the genitals, causing the clitoris, vaginal walls, and surrounding tissues to swell. This physiological response primes the body for orgasm. During orgasm, rhythmic contractions occur in the pelvic muscles, uterus, and vaginal walls. These contractions are a physical release of built-up tension, accompanied by an intense wave of pleasure. Hormones like oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, are released during orgasm. These hormones not only enhance pleasure but also strengthen emotional connection and intimacy. The female orgasm is a testament to the complexity and brilliance of human biology. Understanding this process promotes better sexual health, self-awareness, and deeper connections. Celebrate the power of knowledge. Understanding your body is the first step to empowerment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the wonders of human anatomy. This script provides a mix of educational and empowering content, perfect for a detailed yet approachable video.